Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from ByBit to Tonkeeper wallet. This tutorial will be quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel before we dive into. Now you want to go ahead on your ByBit account and go ahead on assets. Also guys, I'm going to leave the link to ByBit in the description if you want to sign up and get some bonuses. And now you want to go ahead and click withdraw option. From here, you will need to go ahead and choose USDT, of course. So just go ahead and search for it and choose USDT. After that, you will need to go ahead and find address and network of Tonkeeper. So you want to go ahead to Tonkeeper and choose USDT, click receive option, copy the address. You will see your address here. Now you want to go back to ByBit, enter the address right there. After that, you want to choose a network, which would be Ton. And as you can see with the Ton network, there is no fees. So also there's a tag and memo, but as you are sending it to Tonkeeper, you don't need to enter the memo. And after that, you just enter the amount which you want to go ahead and send, and you click withdraw. So that's basically it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.